Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to do the Nokia 6110. Well, I posted this post asking you which of the front shells should I put, and it was between these two. This is on the right and this is on the left. And of course that the winner with the most votes was the left one. So this is what we didn't put on it. In my opinion, it looks pretty awesome. So today we're going to put this one. It's a bit dirty here. Dang it, of all the times I had to accidentally scratch it here, but it's not that bad, so it will remain like this. Dang it. So here's the phone. The buttons are not pressing that good. I have to press them harder to respond, but it shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, so let's begin. It's missing a screw already. This one is already loosened. Oh, that's why it's missing a screw. That was the earpiece. Not a problem. We're gonna need this part, which I'm going to need to clean. I'm not gonna take anything from this, so away with it. Oh, it's one of those types made of two components. So I need to do a lot of cleaning on this one. Let me just check out the display it's attached. Oh, with these connectors. And this is the display. And the top board with the loudspeaker attached here. It has a center screw here. And this thing just comes off like so. Also time for me to take out this little rubber seal. The SIM card door just open like this and just pull it out like so. Simple. I'm gonna open it here. This is technically the brain. That other board is just the buttons and the display. Here's the main board. All that's left for me to take now is this little battery, which is the same as the 7110. This top infrared cover. Somehow. The volume buttons, which I need to clean. There we go. I can just pull it as it is, no need to press it. Press it on itself when the time comes. I think this is glued here. I'm not keeping this body shell since it's damaged as it is. So damaging it a bit more won't affect me. Wow, that flew all the way in the other room. As I suspected, it was glued. Right, so I'll get to clean this phone and be right back. I almost forgot, it's also this microphone that got stuck here. Let me take it out as well. There we go. Here's the little mic. Good. Now, back to cleaning. As you can see, it is done. So let's begin. I'm gonna take this rubber seal, ink, whatever. Yeah, the first thing that I take is a rubber. This one as well. Still rubbery enough. Nice. Like so. Here's the intake. Perfectly in place. Good. So now I'll have to glue this in place. There we go. Come on, beautiful, in place. You can do it. Now to put the battery. The antenna as well. Volume buttons. Now to put the whole family back together again. Okay. Now the top part. Now to take this out of the way and put the new body shell right here with its new power button and the earpiece right here, and of course some new buttons as well. Looking good. Not like myself, but good enough. And all that's left is to make a nice Nokia sandwich. It's annoying, but it is what it is. There we go. Alright, getting the screw to marinate now. Now to put this little cover here over the external antenna. Do the honors. Here's the phone with the front shell that you chose. Oh, hey mama. And 22. That's not the hour, but let's see. Now the buttons are pressing actually nice. Great. Nice. Alright. no lifetime array. Hey yourself, you little... So yeah, this was the refurbished video of the Nokia 6110. What are your thoughts? Did you have this phone? It's pretty awesome. And so yeah, this is how it would have looked with this front shell, and this is how it looks now. Personally, as a design, I like more this one. Also, I like the classic as well, but since I couldn't decide, I prefer to make it like a voting. So the people have spoken. This will be another video. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. It helps me a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day, just like yourselves, and all the best. Bye bye.